much the home screen of the application. So if you're struggling with understanding AI, how to use AI, then this application is for you. So this application pretty much carry you through the steps in learning everything you need to know about AI. So here you have the introduction. First off, before you open the application, we'll ask you a few questions. So make sure you answer those questions correctly. But once you have finished all that, we'll pretty much load up the introduction section. We'll give you everything as it relates to AI, what is AI, the types of AI, differentiate AI types, all of those things will be given to you as you can see here. All you have to do is just go ahead and read through this information. As well as you progress through the information, you unlock certain things. As you can see, you have history section, but you have to complete the introduction section here. As well, it will keep a track of how consistent you are with pretty much completing the task. And as well as you can see here, I have a 20-day challenge. So you can pretty much complete this here in 20 days, 21 days. As well, you have the tool section, which pretty much shows you on the top AI models which you can use. They will pretty much give you a link to them. You can either check them out on App Store, Play Store, or in Google Chrome or the browser you use. Here you have the best image generation or image generator AI models. As you can see here, they will let you know. As you can see here, for example, we have a banana. We'll give you a few information on the AI models, as you can see here, and as well give you links to them as well. And if I do go across not just the image generation, we have the AI music, the video generation, and as well we have the presentation for this as well. So very good app if you want to learn AI. This is a great app for you. So do make sure you check it out. Let me know if you have completed the 21 days challenge as well. So see you guys in the next one. Peace out.